This here is an old portfolio website I built sometime around 1999. I was proud of it, but let's not take note of that whacked out letter spacing. Anyhow, I thought it'd be cool to modernize this layout. Make sure to stick around until the end because I not only designed it in Figma, I also coded it in the browser with animation and interaction. So let's get started. The thing that makes the original design interesting is the circular navigation. That's the one element that I want to keep, but I don't want it to be the focal point, which is why I've decided to offset it to the right. You're seeing me go back and forth and change stuff around, which is the typical process of design. It's okay to experiment, duplicate your layout, and play around with quick ideas. This is why I always advocate designing in an app like Figma first, because it's 100% impossible to iterate this fast in code. Now that I have a basic design done, I wanted to do a quick interaction prototyping on the nav elements and the 3 footer blips. Now I know what some of you are thinking, good luck to the front-end developer, but that's okay, you'll see this in the browser at the very end. And here's the finished Figma prototype. While Figma's prototyping is great, it does not give you anywhere near the amount of flexibility that actual code gives you, which is why I decided to write the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to realize this all in the browser. That said, here is the original, and here's the modernized version. I used GSAP to help create the intro animations along with CSS transitions for some of the various micro interactions you see here. Overall, I'm happy with the result for just a day's worth of work. If you enjoyed this video, check out DesignCourse.com where you can learn UI, UX, CSS, and more with my custom interactive platform that makes learning fun and easy.